If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cleaning motivation and lifestyle videos. Right now, I want to get dinner started. It is 5 o'clock. Excuse the noise in the background. It's about that time. They are off the chain. But before I get dinner started, I need to actually clean because I cannot cook in a dirty kitchen or a messy kitchen. That's just a pet peeve of mine. I can't do it because then I feel like my food is dirty even though it's not dirty, but that's just how I feel. Don't judge me. It's just something that I have to do. I feel like my youngest is going up the steps. Oh no, he's right here. He's fine. Yeah. By the time dinner is done, the rest of the house should be clean, and then after dinner, we'll start our bedtime process, and hopefully I can get to bed early. So let's get started with the cleaning. It's not much, but it's something.
All alive. The devil's in the detail, lingered inside. Oh, a holy crime. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Going wrong like nonsense, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence without an alibi. Smoking gun, you got me on the wrong. We know that will come. We're out up till dawn. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi. Took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Going wrong like nonsense. Playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence without an alibi. All alive. The devil's in the detail, lingered inside. Oh, a holy crime. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Going wrong like nonsense. Playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi.